Hello friends, we are doing the grade 9 7th chapter triangles of the CBSE. We are solving the exercise 7.1 question number 1. The congruence rule of the ASA and SAS already taught. The link is in the description box. Let's solve the question number 1. The question is that in quadrilateral, this is the quadrilateral. What is mean by quadrilateral? Quad means 4 and lateral means side. The closed figure which are having the four sides is called as the quadrilateral ABCD. ABCD. In this AC and AD. So this is AC and AD is the given thing. Yes. Here AC and AD is the given thing. And AB bisects the angle A. It bisects the angle A means what? This angle is same as this angle. AB. This is the angle. AB bisects the angle A, so this angle is same as this angle, that is the angle BAC is same as BAD. Understood with this everyone? BAC is same as BAD. Bisect. Bi means what? 2. Sec means sector. It is dividing into the two parts. Yes. So, and that is the two equal parts. Then we need to show that and triangle ABC, that is the triangle ABC and the triangle ABD are the congruent. Yes. Before this we have seen that the congruence rule for the ASA and the SAS. Link is in the description. Now, whenever in the properties of the triangle we want to use, always write down the given thing from the question. For that, read the question carefully first of all. What is given? That is the ABCD and we want to show it about the two triangles. Okay. So in quadrilateral ABCD, AC is equals to AD. AC equals to AD. This is the given thing. And AB bisects the angle A. So angle BAC and angle BAD are the equal. So angle BAC and angle BAD are the equal. So what we have used that AB bisects the angle A. उसको हमने we have written in the form of the equation or in the form of the angle. So angle BAC is same as angle BAD. Yes. Now we have the two sides. Sides of the two triangles are equal and the angles are the equal. Yes. Now either we want to use the ASA rule or the SAS rule. Out of this we have one side and one angle. We have one side and one angle. Yes. Now if you observe here in these two triangles, we want to show these two triangles are equal. Yes. So this is the common side among the two triangles. Is it common too? Yes. So here to prove that what we want to prove, ये भी पता होना चाहिए what we want to prove. Yes. ये भी आपको क्वेश्चन से भी पता चलेगा. To show that, after the show that whatever it will be there, that is we have to prove. यहाँ पे लिखना है this is the given thing जो आपको क्वेश्चन में मिलेगा. This is what we want to prove. ये कहाँ पे मिलेगा? After the show that. To prove triangle ABC is congruent to the triangle ABD. Yes. यहाँ तक आपको आपने लिख लिया है जो आपको दिया है. What to do now? How to solve? Next is question that how to solve. So this is called as the proof. How we are going to show that? Yes. So proof. Now we can see that AB is the common among them. So in triangle ABC and ABD, see we want to show about these two triangles are congruent. Yes. Now consider into that two triangles only in triangle ABC and the triangle ABD. Yes. This side is same given. This angle is same given. Now this is the AB is the common side. So what is the congruence we can see? Side, angle and the side. Why? Because this is the common side. So AC is equal to AD. Whatever the given things are there, we are going to write it again as a given. So AC is equal to AD. Taken from here. Pick it from here. Angle BAC is equal to BAD. It is again given. Yes. Got it? Though we have written here. But to show that, we are always again rewrite it. Got it everyone? Now what we have observed that AB is the common. So AB is equal to AB. This is the common side between the two triangles. Yes. Now this is what? Side. This is angle and this is side again. Is it the common angle between the two sides? Yes. And therefore by which congruence they are equal? SAS. Which congruence they are equal? SAS. So hence triangle ABC is congruent to the angle ABD by SAS congruence rule. Got it everyone? Yes. हमने congruency तो शो कर दिया, but here next question is also that what can you say about the BC and BD? What can you say about BC and BD? So BC and BD के लिए what can we say? Now as we have shown that this triangle is same as this triangle. Yes. Now if these two triangles are congruent, these two sides must be equal. These two sides must be equal. So how? Then BC is equals to BD by CPCT. What is mean by the CPCT? That CPCT is what? Corresponding parts of the congruent triangle. अगर ये दोनों triangles congruent है तो उनके बाकी बचे कुछ पार्ट भी क्या होंगे? सेम होंगे. मतलब ये एंगल सेम एज ये एंगल होगा, ये एंगल इज इक्वल्स टू ये एंगल होगा, एंड दिस साइड इज इक्वल्स टू ये साइड हो जाएंगे. सो BC इज इक्वल टू व्हाट? BD, एंड दैट इज वी आर राइटिंग दैट बाय CPCT. CPCT का लॉन्ग फॉर्म क्या है? Corresponding parts of the congruent triangle. अब if the two triangles are congruent, we have proved that, तो उसके बाकी पार्ट्स भी क्या हो जाएंगे? इक्वल्स हो जाएंगे. Clear everyone? Yes. And therefore, so though it is a word problem, आपने पूछा है what can you say about the BC and BD? Thus BC and BD are the equal. Understood with this everyone? If you like the video, understood with the examples, easy way, then please keep on watching and also share with your friends. Also subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.